Do you think your Play Store is out of date and you want to update it? Then here is a step-by-step guide on how to update your Play Store using your Android phone. It's quick and easy. So let's get started. Before you update it, make sure to delete the old update. Tap and hold the Google Play Store, tap App Info, tap Uninstall Update, tap OK. Quickly after that, open the Google Play Store app, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen, tap on Settings, tap on About. If any update is available, then you can see the option to update the Play Store. Tap on it, and your Play Store will start to update. That's how you can update your Google Play Store. So this is how you can update your Play Store on an Android phone. If you have any questions, please write in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching!